South Africa is a water-scarce country, the 30th driest in the world. Yet, we see this, and this, and that, and many other examples of how humans are mismanaging this infinite and irreplaceable resource. Water has no substitute. Today, the world celebrates Water Day and raises awareness of the global water crisis. The core focus of the observance is to support the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 6, Water and Sanitation for All by 2030. While the awareness around water tends to focus on clean water and sanitation for humanity, people often forget about the species that live in the water that are as interdependent on water as humans, which in turn humans are reliant on for food. This wealth of species is essential to the health of the world's rivers, lakes, and wetlands, and supports societies, livelihoods, and economies across the globe. Accordingly, researchers at the South African Institute for Aquatic Biodiversity are studying freshwater ecosystems as part of their mission to preserve the integrity of our natural environment. Research from a collaboration between SAIEB and the South African National Biodiversity Institute found that the inland waters of southern Africa support a high diversity of aquatic species with high levels of endemism. Many of these species provide direct fisheries and indirect water purification benefits to people. The conservation of these species is most important to the livelihoods and economies of the region's people. Sadly, South Africa's unique freshwater biodiversity is under enormous pressure from climate change, human activities, and invasive species. This can have severe consequences for ecosystem services such as the provision of food and safe, clean drinking water. Furthermore, as in many parts of the world facing water challenges as water scarcity, many parts of South Africa are in the midst of a serious drought, and as human populations grow and consumption patterns change, the pressure on natural water resources continues to increase. A report by the World Wildlife Fund and 15 non-governmental organizations and alliances titled The World's Forgotten Fishes mentions that freshwater biodiversity is declining at twice the rate of that in the oceans or forests. This report finds that freshwater fisheries provide food for 200 million people and livelihoods for 60 million. Freshwater fishes make up 51% of all fish species and 1/4 of all vertebrate species on Earth. In essence, if we overlook the value of water, our freshwater species, and their contribution to maintaining a healthy ecosystem and livelihoods, means that we risk mismanaging this infinite and irreplaceable resource. Without a comprehensive understanding of water's true and multidimensional value, we will be unable to safeguard this critical resource for the benefit of everyone. Now play your part, be a game changer, and save water. Join the 2021 World Water Run, a 7-day virtual run around the world with thousands of runners and walkers supporting World Water Day.